Good morning, guys. Welcome. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today is the worship of Vishwakarma. So that's why I am very busy today because I have to clean my room in this room where I am now, and I have to clean my computer, my whiteboard, and other materials. I have to wash my bicycle today. Today I am very busy and I am thinking since morning that I have to shoot a video today because for few days I have not been shooting, means making any videos. Okay, so that's why this thing is striking my mind. You had better shoot a video today and upload. Okay, because I need to make videos regularly. Consistency I have to make. This is the main thing. If you do any work, so you have to become consistency consistent uh, consistently. You have to do any work, then you will get better result. I hope this. Okay, so I have to maintain consistency, and I will upload videos because I am practicing this video. Okay, that's why I have come and I shoot this small blog. Okay, and look, my bedroom. This is my computer. I have to wash, not to clean. Okay, just I need to uh, drop some water. Okay, and then I need to wash my computer. So that's what I will do today. And as you can see where I stay, okay, means in which room I stay at my house. And I am thinking today whether I will go to the river to have a bath or not. Okay, because I have time, I may go after doing my work. So I will see you. Okay, sorry, I will show you. So keep watching.